Welcome back to Durango Electro-Culture. Today we're going to show you how the squash is taking over everything. There's a nice little squash just starting. It's a little brother and sister there, looking good. Here's a nice mottled one. I think it's a zucchini red curry. And then of course another one. Very nice red curry. They're really changing orange right now. Blue Hubbard, you can see how it's been scarring itself as it's growing next to that sunflower stalk. And another red curry. This is the rooftop looking from the south toward the north. My tomatoes are hating me, but I'm still pleasantly pleased. The garden is very healthy, I gotta say that. And the squash, you know how things happen. Squash want it, they got it. And this is looking from the north toward the south. Beautiful sunflowers. That's like 14 feet in the back there. And then this Blue Hubbard here. It's up with the corn tassels. Very nice. And of course, the Dahlias are still pleasantly happy. All right. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.